Co-founder of Reason, Matt Rowe, purchased this commercial space on Shortland Street in Auckland, which a law firm previously occupied. The space had small meeting rooms, wall-to-wall carpet, and white ceiling tiles that made it feel very corporate. Matt got in touch with our account manager, Lucy Cable, and explained they wanted an amazing office that would attract their team back into work after working from home. With floor-to-ceiling glass partitions in the meeting rooms and concrete floors throughout, the space needed acoustic treatment to minimise reverberation. Pilot project for the new addition to the acoustic timber range, acoustic timber ceiling tiles, were the perfect solution, sliding straight into the existing ceiling grid to create a modern look and a natural timber feel.
In the timber range, we have a great breadth of options. We can do a more busy grain, such as the Queensland walnut, which will really be a feature of the office space or of within the grid. Or you can go a bit more reserved and look at something like eucalyptus, where it's sort of still a high-end finish, but it's within the background of the space, and other things can become the feature.